Fortunately, the time has come to take the 308 back to its rightful owner. But before we did, my son said he wanted to try it freehand. So go ahead, son, fire. Let's see what you can do. This is so wicked. Holy cow. Oh shoot, no, that is... Can you do that one more time? That is wicked. This is insane. One-handed 308 Winchester. And I guess he nicked it. That is bad. Congratulations, you are the man. You want to try it on the gong?
Yeah, I'm going to try to hit the gong.
All right. Let's see. Try to get him in there. Okay, go ahead, son. Hey, how do you like it?
I think it makes a great concealed carry firearm.
Yeah, this is Texas, USA. God bless. Trying for accuracy. About 60 or probably about 50 or 60 yards there. You know, so he likes this gun. He actually wants to buy it. It's pretty cool though. Dang, that thing's loud. I started him when he was just a little boy with a 22. Look at him now. But God bless America. Y'all have a wonderful day. That ain't bad. One of them, you know, jerks the trigger, but still pretty good at 50 or 60 yards.
Yeah, first shot was a trigger jerk.
That ain't bad. That ain't bad. That is better free-handed. It was tough on the bench. Oh, that is wicked. I'm gonna try a free-handed. I love it too now. Let me. All right.
I'm gonna win.
Just say 3, 2, 1. This old ammo ain't no good. All right. That'll be part of it. This is this old cheap ammo that don't hardly fire.
Yeah, I had a jam.
Oh, that happened. That was badass.
Hey, did you hear me hit the gong? See it moving?
Yeah. All right.
Can I take one more shot with this?
Oh yeah, we're done with the recording. Ladies and gentlemen, I really enjoyed this time I got to spend with my son, and I really wish that log truck hadn't come by right about now. I hope y'all can hear me, but I've been shooting with him like this ever since he was a little boy, and I love him. This filming today was actually, you know, private time that we spent together, and I just wanted to share it with y'all because I've gotten so much support on this channel that I never expected, and I just wanted to let you know I appreciate every one of you, and God bless you. I hope y'all have a wonderful day.